Tired of digging through a messy toolbox just to find the right socket? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. AMM 9-piece socket organizer. Let's kick things off with the AMM 9-piece socket organizer. Priced at just $19.83, what caught my eye was its heavy-duty construction and the fact that it can hold a whopping 129 sockets. If you want to keep your sockets organized and easily accessible, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This organizer has 3 different sizes: 36 sockets for 1/2 inch, 45 for 3/8 inch, and 48 for 1/4 inch drives. That means you can store both deep and shallow sockets in one place. The removable end cap design also allows you to customize your setup, which is a huge plus if you often switch things around. Plus, it comes in 3 colors, making it easy to identify your SAE and metric sockets at a glance. Now, some people complained about the clips coming off too easily. Here's the thing though, if you're careful when handling it, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's really designed for flexibility and usability. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on different projects and need a reliable way to store various socket sizes. Skip this one if you only have a few sockets to manage, as the capacity might be overkill for you. Overall, it's a solid value for money. Now, if the AMM organizer's clip issues make you unsure, this next one offers a completely different approach with magnetic storage. Product number 2. EACLI Magnetic Socket Organizer. The EACLI 6-piece magnetic socket organizer set, retailing at $38.99. What really stands out about this one is its magnetic base, which can hold up to 141 sockets. If you want a setup that keeps everything in place while you work, this is definitely worth considering. The strong magnetic force means you can easily attach this organizer to any steel toolbox or cart, and it won't budge even if you shake it. That's a real lifesaver when you're in the zone and don't want to lose track of your tools. Plus, it accommodates both deep and shallow sockets, which is a huge deal for versatility. The durable ABS material is also oil and moisture resistant, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear over time. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for smaller toolboxes. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're tight on space, this might feel a bit cumbersome. But for anyone with a larger setup or a magnetic tool cart, it's definitely a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you've got a lot of sockets and want a hassle-free way to keep them organized. Skip this one if you have a compact workspace, since it may not fit well. The investment feels justified given its capacity and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love customization. Product number 3, Reniteco 9-piece socket organizer set, caught my attention with its customizable design. If you're looking for something that adapts to your specific needs, this organizer is definitely worth checking out. One of the main highlights is its high compatibility with most major socket brands. It features removable end caps and allows you to adjust clips easily, so you can mix and match sizes as your collection grows. This flexibility means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution. Plus, it has a large capacity with 128 clips total, which is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. However, a few users mentioned that the clips can feel loose at times. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to use it in a stationary toolbox or drawer, it shouldn't really be a problem. Just be mindful if you're transporting it around a lot. This is perfect for you if you like to customize your storage solution as your tool collection changes. Skip this if you want something that's completely hassle-free right out of the box. It's an excellent value, especially for those who like to tinker. Now, if customization isn't your top priority, the next product provides a more straightforward approach. Product number 4. The AIUITIO 6PCS Socket Organizer Tray Set, priced at $29.99. This one really impressed me with its clear size markings and dual rail design for both deep and shallow sockets. If clutter drives you crazy, this could be the solution you need. The trays are designed to eliminate toolbox clutter and allow for easy identification of socket sizes. The red for SAE and black for metric make it super easy to find what you're looking for in a hurry. Plus, the durable ABS material ensures your sockets are protected from oil and gas, keeping everything in great condition. Now, some users pointed out that the maximum peg height is only 3.7 inches, which might not accommodate all deep socket sizes. But honestly, if you mostly work with standard sizes, this shouldn't be a concern. This is perfect for you if you want a tidy toolbox with instant access to your sockets. Skip this if you deal with a lot of specialized deep sockets. It's a great value for anyone looking to streamline their organization. Alright, we're almost there. The last product on our list is quite unique, especially for those who prefer magnetic storage. Product number 5. Onsky Magnetic Socket Organizer Holder Set. We have the Onsky Magnetic Socket Organizer, priced at $39.99. This set has a strong magnetic base that can hold up to 143 sockets, making it super convenient if you want quick access without the fuss of clips. If you're looking for something that simplifies your organization, this one's definitely worth a look. The magnetic trays can be attached to any steel surface, and the soft rubber lining prevents scratches on your tools. Each tray is clearly labeled, making it a breeze to find the right socket size quickly. It's designed to fit both standard and deep sockets, which is perfect for anyone with a diverse collection. However, a few buyers mentioned that it's not compatible with impact sockets, which could be a setback for those who frequently use them. But let's be honest, if you mainly use standard sockets, this won't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you love the ease of magnetic organizers and want a clutter-free workspace. Skip this if impact sockets are a major part of your toolkit. Considering its features, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about organization. So, to wrap it up, we've looked at the AMM 9-piece organizer, the EACLIE magnetic set, the Renatico 9-piece set, the AIUITIO tray set, and the Onsky magnetic organizer. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Renatico 9-piece set because of its customizability and capacity.